In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix a black screen problem here on your TCL TV. Okay, for the first, what we can do is that we check if the TV is working at all. So what we can do, try to check is here under the TV you should have an LED, and this LED should be turned on, so it can be red, green, blue, white or something else. So make sure that you have here a LED which is turned on. If not, then it can be the case that the power cable is broken. So what we can do to try is that we unplug the power cable, and then we can try to clean it or something else. So, and sometimes this helps. So, and if you have like a light, then you can try to turn on the TV. So you can do this with your remote, or what you can also do is you can do it manual. So you have a button under the TV or here on the side, and you can press this power on and off button, and then the TV should start here. And then sometimes it is the fault of the remote. So sometimes the remote is empty, so you can easily change here the battery. And you know this if the TV is turning on with the manual button. So if this also doesn't work, then we can try to unplug everything from the TV. So like every HDMI device, USB device and something else, unplug everything except the power cable. And then sometimes the picture or the display should work again, because sometimes you have like problems that the HDMI device or something blocks the screen or something. So what we can do is that we unplug everything to check if this is the problem. So, and what we can also try to do is that we go here on our remote, and here we have like an input button. So here it should looks like that, but it can also look like this here. So this is the input button here. So, and we can click on this button, and there we can select the right input. So if you have like selected HDMI, then it can be the problem that this doesn't work, because if you don't have like an HDMI device, or the HDMI device is turned off, then you are in the wrong input. So what we have to do is that we select like live TV or like satellite cable or antenna, and then sometimes the problem is fixed, that you have a black or a blue screen. Okay, and if all of this doesn't work, then try to unplug the TV. So fully unplug the TV, and then wait like 60 seconds and then plug it in again. And after that, your problem then should be fixed. So, and this is all you can do to fix this problem. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.